Good morning, my dear student. Yesterday we have solved exercise 2.34 problems. In fourth problem, we didn't consider the proportionality, so we have shown that that is a similar one. But when we consider the proper proportionality, this problem is these two triangles are not similar because see in triangle MLN MNL and triangle PQR. In triangle MNL and triangle PQR, see angle M equals to angle Q. Then MN divided by PQ. MN by PQ equals to 2.5 divided by 6. 2.5 divided by 6. Then the related angle ML divided by QR. ML divided by QR equals to 5 by 10. Therefore, MN divided by PQ is not equals to ML divided by QR. Therefore, triangle MNL is not similar to triangle PQR. So, question number 4 is solve that or another method, that is or already we have solved once. That one we have made without considering the angular proportionality. We have made it a similar one, but theoretically these two triangles are not similar on comparing the similarity principles. See, this one is the question number 5. See, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and triangle DEF. See, angle A equals to angle F. Angle A equals to angle F. Okay. Now let us find the proportionality, that BC by EF. BC by EF. BC by EF. BC by EF is not called BC by, okay, BC by DE, not EF. BC by DE is not equals to AC by DF. AC by, that is DF. Therefore, triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. This one is the question number 6. Okay. Please open your textbook so that you can identify whether the triangles are similar or not. So now in triangle DEF, angle F equals to 180 minus of 80 plus 70. That is 180 equals to minus of 150, that is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now in triangle PQR, angle P equals to 180 minus of 80 plus 30. 180 minus 110, that is equals to 70. Therefore, in triangle DEF and triangle PQR, angle E equals to angle Q, angle D equals to angle P, angle F equals to angle R, the F equals to angle R. So by AA criterion, triangle DEF similar to triangle PQR, triangle PQR. You can find only one angle also. By AA criterion, we can prove that both the triangles are similar. Okay. Now write down the first main. Okay. Now after first main, this one is the second question. The diagram is like this. That is DOC, ODC similar to triangle OB. These two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Okay. Now let us find the angle. What angles? What they have asked. See, in triangle DOC, in the figure, angle BOC, plus angle COD, equals to 180, linear pair. Reason is linear pair. Okay, angle BOC is given how much? 125 plus angle COD equals to 180. Angle COD equals to 180 minus 125. 180 minus 125. So 180 minus 125. 55. Okay. COD equals to 55. Angle COD equals to angle BAOB, that is equals to 55. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Then angle OCD equals to angle OCD equals to 180 minus of 180 minus of angle ODC plus angle COD, that is 180 minus 70 plus 55. So 180 minus 125, that is also 55. That is 55. Next, see OCD. This one is 55. This one is 55. Then the triangles are similar. Therefore, since triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA, therefore angle OCD equals to angle OAB, angle ODC equals to angle ODC equals to angle OBA. Then angle DOC equals to angle AOB, vertically opposite angle AOB. See once again and solve it neatly. After completion, go through here. draw larger size diagrams so that you can clearly identify the magnitude of the angle. See, 55, 70. OCD is equals to OAB. See, this angle. See, what we may call this as alternate angles. But it is not proper we call it as an alternate angle because they haven't given DC parallel to AB. DC parallel to AB. So they have given ODC similar to triangle OBA. Therefore, angles of particular triangles are equiangular. So the angles must be similar to this one. That is, if it is 70, this one is 70. If it is 55, this one is 55. This one is 55. Vertically opposite angles. Okay? Draw the diagram neatly. See the students, see question number 3. Diagonals of AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. AC and BD with AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. You know, in a trapezium, one pair of sides of that figure will parallel to each other. So AB parallel to DC. AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O, this point O. Then what we have to show? We have to show is OA by OC equals to OB by OD. Okay? Let us consider the two triangles for utilization of similarity of triangle. See, in triangle AOB and triangle COD and triangle COD. Now, angle AOB is equals to angle DOC. Angle DOC, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Then angle OAB. Angle OAB equals to angle OCD. Angle OCD, alternate angles. Alternate angles. Why alternate angles? AB parallel to DC. Then angle OBA equals to angle ODC. Alternate angles. Therefore, angles of triangles are equiangular. Therefore, angles of triangles are equiangular. Therefore, by AAA criterion, triangle AOB is similar to triangle DCOD. Therefore, OA by OC equals to OB by OD. See, you know, OAB alternate angles of triangles are equiangular. Then by AAA criterion, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Therefore, the proportionality OA by OC equals to OB by OD. Hence, proved. Now this one is the fourth question, which is very important one. In the figure, QR by QS equals to QT by PR, angle 1 equals to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. This is the diagram. Okay. Now consider in triangle PQR. In the triangle PQR, see, in the triangle PQR, angle 1 equals to angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, which means angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. So PQ is equals to, that is QR. PQ equals to QR, because if two angles of triangle is equals to, if two angles of triangles are equal, then the related sides, that is PQ equals to PR. PQ equals to PR. Now consider say this one as 1. Consider QR by QS equals to QT by PR. QT by PR. This one is given. Okay. PQ equals to PR. PQ equals to PR. They have given. So, in place of PR, replace PR by PQ. Okay. What happens? Let us see. QR by QS equals to QT by PQ. From 1, that is PR is removed, in place of that PQ is introduced. So QT by PQ. Now considering this result, comparing with the triangles, which triangles are in triangle PQS, in triangle PQS and triangle PQR and triangle PQR and triangle PQR. So QT by PQ QT by PQ equals to QR by QS QR by QS. QT by PQ equals to QR by QS. So QT by PQ equals to QR by QS. Now angle Q equals to angle Q. That is the common angle. Therefore, by similarity, triangle PQS, triangle PQR, triangle TQR. Okay, what which similarity criterion is applied? Yes, criterion. Meridian. The triangles PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay, my dear students, today I will send that CC work FA1 and FA2. Neatly you draw the diagrams if the diagrams are given, and also neatly write the activities whatever I have given. See, there are 7 pages in the every activity part, that is FA1. So leave 2 pages for the test, that is FA1 test, FA2 test. The remaining 5 papers I will give the questions, then you solve. If necessary, you use the back side of the page. If not necessary to write in the back page. Okay, today definitely I will send the questions, and within 3 to 4 days you have to complete the CCE so that you can get the internal marks as usual. Thank you.